So let's look at this question on the board. Involve two operations or three operations rather. We have divisions, brackets, and additions. Now we need to use the principle of BODMAS because if you start with 48 divided by 2 and then before you add the it's very wrong. What is BODMAS? BODMAS involve all the operation we have in mathematics, which B stands for the brackets, O stands for off, and then D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Now let's start. Let's go. And then the first operation we are going to do here is to operate this bracket first, which is 48 divided by 2 into 9 plus 3 is 12. Now this another turning point here. We have 2 into 12 and then 48 divided by 2 into 12. Now don't open this bracket because what we have inside the bracket is just one number. It's not, or we don't have any operation inside the bracket any longer because what we have is number. Therefore, we have 48 now divided by 2 times 12. Remember, division comes before multiplication. Therefore, let's operate 40 divided by 2, which is 40 divided by 2 is 24. 24 times 12. When you multiply these two together, it will give you 288.